Before Aaron learned how to change his life, he learned how to wait. Every morning the sun entered his small window. Every morning Aaron turned his face away. His books stayed closed, his dreams stayed quiet, and the same thought followed him every day. I'll start when I feel ready. But ready never came. Days passed, then months. Aaron watched others move ahead while he stayed in the same place, and slowly a heavy fear grew inside him. What if this is all my life becomes? One evening, tired and restless, Aaron walked to the edge of the village where the road disappeared into the forest. He sat on a stone and stared at the path he never took. "That road doesn't move for those who wait," a voice said. Aaron turned. An old man stood there, leaning on a wooden staff. His clothes were simple, but his eyes were deep, like they... "Who are you?" Aaron asked. "Just a man who once waited like you," the old man said. "My name is Ishan." Aaron's voice broke. "I want to change, but I don't feel the strength. I keep waiting for motivation." Ishan smiled, not kindly, but knowingly. "Motivation is a reward, not a gift," he said. "It comes after you move, not before." He pointed to the road. "Take one step, that's all." Aaron hesitated. His mind screamed, "Not now!" His body felt heavy, but he stepped forward. Nothing magical happened. The world didn't change, but something inside him did. His chest felt lighter. His breath felt deeper. "Good," Ishan said. "Now tomorrow will be easier." From that day, the old man walked with Aaron. When Aaron felt tired, Ishan said, "You don't need to feel ready. You just need to move." When Aaron wasted hours staring at glowing screens and noise, Ishan took them away and said, "Silence is where strength returns." He made Aaron sit, breathe, and feel the ground again. Slowly, Aaron changed, not suddenly, not dramatically, but truly. He stopped asking, "Do I feel like it?" and started saying, "This is what I do." Each small win, a finished page, a walked mile, a quiet morning, Ishan made him stop and notice. "Your mind is learning," he said. One morning, Aaron woke up and walked the road alone. Ishan was gone, but his words were not. They lived inside Aaron now. You were never weak. You were only waiting for a feeling. Move first, the strength will follow. And as Aaron walked forward, the road no longer scared him. Remember, life does not change when you feel ready. It changes when you take the first step, even while afraid. Stop waiting. Start walking. The path will appear beneath your feet. This is not the end. We will meet again in the next story.